About everything magic couldn't do.
Way to get it back. I have.
Do you want your magic back?
The one-eyed conqueror, the traveler, the warrior.
Doğa, gather around. Please, hold her.
Magic back more than anything. I am aware.
Nei, jeg har bare åpnet øynene dine.
Jo, brødre. Vil dere si litt om det selv, gutter?
Jeg håper...
Det føles som at alt har forandret seg etter at jeg kom til Edda.
Den siste kampen mellom Gud.
Det der er fjord. Han er en uthul, han går i trea.
Skal det ikke være en krig først?
Dem. Ennå.
Det var sjukt i den byen her. Ulvene spiser seierne.
Heltens reise har begynt.
Gotham PD. He hasn't been seen for over a year.
Where's Batman? Hey, little birdie's alone.
Mom.
Rachel. That's what she called.
It must be doing what Bruce did for you when you left.
Guess we had different ideas of how to do the job.
I feel danger.
What are you doing?
We all must make sacrifices.
You got left behind. Good and evil. Telling the story. I'm the daughter of a werewolf, and there's no place in the world for someone like me.
A little magic, but mostly it's a place where we
In geometry and pass notes in magical history. Like so many who came, when we open up to strangers, we risk exposing our secrets. Bigger than the school, its secrets, or even the town of Mystic Falls. This is a story of heartbreaks. It's a story of friendship.
Believe me, they're out there. Now you see them all.
They all know you're one of these crims.
So scared I didn't sleep for me.
So I took something away from him.
Juliet's awakened.
Who are you?
Doesn't it seem strange that the only thing Julie... Oh, what do you want to do? You want to arrest him or what?
It's...
For another man.
I think this has to do with...
Oh, dude. For a long time.
Oh, we got something you're not going to believe.
We have a lot to talk about.
Not end in death.
Not really.
Not that I know.
It's your chance to do something positive. Really make a difference to people's lives. Show them they're wrong.
Yeah, but what if they're right?
What people are thinking.
Okay. You can hear our thoughts.
The line that I don't know who's done something to us.
Me? How does that make any sense?
What if we're meant to be like superheroes?
fucked up world would that be allowed to happen?
Tell him I think I can fly.
Every bone in my body, stab myself to me.
Nobody can paint the future. That's the drugs talking.
Say the kid. Really my family. No, they weren't bad people, but special. Do we dream?
A war is coming.
They didn't say we'd win.
Andy and Lauren.
We fight for each other. We take care of each other.
Come down.
Hold on.
And we were getting picked off, one by one.
Make no mistake.
I might not have started out as one of you, but
In October 1989, 43 women around the world.
Gifted with abilities, Umbrella Academy.
Everything about our family isn't.
It's very breathy on the bits.
When's it supposed to happen?
It ain't day.
We need the full force of the Academy.
Bingo.
I think Dad wants us to.
More and more demons are walking among us.
You two are a little young for marshals, aren't you?
Thanks, that's awfully kind.
It's an invisible.
What's Leviathan?
Right! Well, we're here to save you, I guess.
Angels, they're falling. This one goes out to any angel with their ears on.